So hi guys.
Asa ng sleeve?
Ang kamig inasal. Inasal in Hong Kong. Oh, chill kay dili.
So, while waiting sa among order, musayos among birthday girl. Happy birthday, Telia.
Lakaw ito lakaw.
Among order sold na among panuto. Busog much kaayo ni. Lunch is over, so uli na mi. Nagto na mi sa festo. So, masayas usa siya. Hey, happy yarn. Fast forward ta. So, ako na putag dinner. Dito nagyapon mi. Sad yarn. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. Bitaw ko mo hatag kag kwarta di mo tindog na siya. I mean, mogimok na siya, papayawan ka. Okay, so da nag-angat. Kay napasto mo ito among gi-reservan nga Leo's, Lodge, and Pub. Dili na sa Central.
Love with you, love with you. Feel so true, feel so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Every day is shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see.
So, naabot na may dress among giagtuan ganinang udto. Anya, while waiting sa among mga orders, mag-chill sa mi. Broken ata kate. While waiting sa order, so cellphone is life. Fast forward, so muna na may dinner, so mamauli na ta. Kami daay. Na ay Japan, so na po Hong Kong, nga ni. Crossroad.
Bye-bye, auntie. Bye-bye.
Once again, happy birthday Auntie Leah, Auntie Mai. Thank you sa treat, nabusog mitanan. God bless. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.